enhances the others, much like curcumin needs piperine for bioavailability. For a reversible, high-performance artificial electric organ, the research points to a specific three-part formulation that mimics the eel's electrocyte. Here is the breakdown of the herbs and pepper for your synthetic electrocyte. 1. The base, zwitterionic gels, the curcumin. These are the structural foundation. Zwitterionic gels contain both positive and negative charged groups, allowing them to hold a high concentration of ions Na plus K plus like a battery's electrolyte. Why it works? It creates the ion gradient high salt versus low salt layers that actually stores the energy. Performance provides a stable baseline voltage, approximately 135 millivolts per cell. 2. The catalyst, Foldamer-based channels, the piperine. To get high power output, you need to move those ions fast and selectively. Natural proteins are fragile, so engineers use Foldamer's synthetic helical molecules. These are your gated channels. The molecule, pyridine oxidiazole Foldamers with isopropyl side chains. The synergy, you mix these into the gel to act as the black pepper. They punch selective holes in the membrane, allowing K+ to flow while blocking Na+. The result, a record K+ Na+ selectivity ratio of 138, which is actually better than natural proteins. This prevents energy leakage. 3. The stabilizer, ionic liquids, the heat shield. For a data center, durability is key. Water-based gels freeze or evaporate. The molecule, room temperature ionic liquids RTILs. The result, this allows the device to operate from -20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius without losing efficiency. It ensures the system is thermally renewable. How to mix them for renewable reuse. You asked for materials that revert to their original state. Here is the chemical mechanism for that. The pH switch regeneration. Recent breakthroughs in copolymer chemistry show that by simply adjusting the pH, adding or neutralizing an acid, the polymer chain resets its electron storage. It changes color to indicate it is armed and ready to fire again. The mechanical reset, using PEDOT, PSS Nafion hybrid films, allows the device to be bent and folded origami to trigger